Cleaning agents used in housekeeping department. R1 is a bathroom cleaner chemical. It is used in cleaning all types of bathroom floors, tiles and fittings. R2 is a general purpose cleaner. It is used in cleaning all types of floor, marble, tiles and glasses. It is used for mopping, dusting and machine scrubbing the floor. R3 is a glass cleaner. It is used in cleaning mirror, glass cabinet, televisions and monitor screens. R4 is a furniture polish. It is used to polish wooden furniture. R5 is an air freshener. It is used in guest rooms, floor areas and lobby areas in the hotels. R6 is a toilet bowl cleaner. It's an acid-base cleaner specially designed for toilet bowl. R7 is a floor cleaner specially designed for oily and greasy floors. R8 is a kettle discler. It's an acid-base discler used for kettles and kitchen equipments. R9 is hard surface cleaner. It is used for cleaning hard oil stains and stain.